Okay, I'm a little sick, but I was so disgusted with my prototype video. It's not that I was disgusted, but I had a brilliant idea to do Happy Birthday Jesus right in the middle of that first little run thingy, whatever, and it just flopped from there. By the way, Maine, I did Happy Birthday Jesus for you. Anyways, I'm gonna try to do it. I'm full of cold, just got over a stomach virus, blah 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 blah, head's hurting, blah blah blah, but I feel like singing, so hey. Anyways, I'm gonna try it, and here it is. I hope that you're the one, not you are prototype. We'll tiptoe to the sun, do the things I know you like. I think I'm in love again. Whoa, you're the prototype. I think I'm in love again. Ooh, you are the prototype. I think I'm in love again. Oh, 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 oh. You are the prototype. Think I'm in love again. Oh, you are the prototype. A mess.